In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. This is how the mesh looks like, and I'll show you how to create this mesh from scratch. Let's use a grid. If you don't see the grid in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Type 1 to vertex select, and we need to Alt-Shift-click some lines of vertices like this. E and Z as in zebra to extrude upward. We won't be needing these vertices. Let's select one vertex in the middle, and use proportional editing to rotate it like this. Let's solidify the mesh and shade smooth. I'll show you the material, the environment light, and the composite node details next. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.